Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix easy anti-cheat error code 30005. First, we are going to search for this PC and let's open this up. And the anti-cheat folder is usually in our C drive, program files x86 folder, and you should be able to see the easy anti-cheat folder. So let's open this up. In this system file, easyanticheat.sys, we are going to right click on it and we are going to delete it. So click on delete. And if you are unable to delete it, you have to restart your PC first and try deleting it again. After that, reopen your Steam and you have to go to your library and reopen or relaunch your game and see if your problem has been solved. If not, go to your library, right click on the game on where you are getting the error. For example, this one, right click on it and go to properties. And from the options at the left, click on installed files. And you have to click on verify integrity of game files at the bottom part of the list. And you have to wait for it and see if it can help solve your problem. Relaunch it again. But if not, another cause is that there might be a game that is still using the anti-cheat in the background. So to check, we can search for Task Manager and you have to look for the game that might be using anti-cheat. For example, if it is this one, you right click on it and click on End Task. If you see it open as well, just open it and hit the exit button to end the task of that game running and might help solve your problem. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.